All right, so we're back today. Gonna be doing another DoorDash ride along, and today is Monday, the 26th, and we're just waiting on an order. I got an order, but the app crashed. I think something's going on with the app. It's acting kind of weird, so I'm gonna go check it out. I want to monitor the app and see what's going on. So we'll be back. Just dropped off Chick-fil-A, $6.50. It's like 5 miles, so it made sense. Definitely had a tip. And then I just got another one for McDonald's, $4.90 for like 3 miles. So it should be pretty good. So we're just headed over there to pick it up, and we'll be back in a minute. All right, so just dropped off some McDonald's action there. It's it's close. Always takes too much time to go to McDonald's, though. I mean, it was $5. There's a tip involved for sure. It was like 2 miles, so it's kind of worth it in that respect. But and then it started raining, and as it is in Florida, rain for just the time that I'm actually delivering, and by the time I actually walk back to the car, it stopped raining. So yeah, but it's good to have an umbrella. Keep it with you. Keep some paper towels with you. Kind of helps dry things out somewhat. My shoes are a little wet, but that's not a big deal. So we're going to wait for another order, and we'll go from there. All right, so DoorDash just tried to send me an order. I put it up on the screen here. 11.9 miles? I don't know. I can't see it, but I think it was like 11.9 miles. We got another one here, closer. But they wanted like $6.50. So we'll find out. I got another one. Let me check it out and see. All right, once again, I just passed up another order, $8.25. Here, they got another one real quick. Let me check it out, but that one was like 9 miles across the river. It was crazy. I'm not doing that. Look at this one, the next one. All right, so I took the stacked order, which, you always want to take a stacked order. I'll put it up on the screen. I don't know if I took the second screenshot. I don't think I did. That didn't go well. I missed the turn, and where I'm at, and I'm in Jacksonville, Florida. I mean, I've been living here my whole life. Well, not all my life, but anyway, and long enough. And I'm really familiar with how the roads and the areas are set up and stuff. So I was listening to the darn GPS, and where I'm at, I mean, if you miss a turn, you're going to go over the bridge. There's many bridges here, but if you miss a turn, you're going to go over one of the bridges. And I missed the turn. I ended up having to go over the bridge, had to turn around, go back, and drop off the first order on the stacked order, which is fine. Fortunately, it was easy to find. It wasn't easy. I mean, it wasn't too difficult once I actually got to the apartment complex, and they were cool with the fact that I was just a couple minutes late. I was a little late, a little bit, like 5 minutes maybe the most. Now the really dumb thing is that the stacked order was across the bridge, which I couldn't have done that first because it would have really been the first order would have been really late. So it made sense for me to turn around and go back and do it, but I didn't really want to do that. That was pretty frustrating. So you have to watch, where you're going. And don't always follow. I mean, you have to follow the GPS so you know where you're going, but don't rely exclusively if you're familiar with your area. Just go with what you know. I mean, I knew how to get to the area, and I just totally blew it. So, no big deal. The dash that I was on is over. So we're going to go ahead and start a new dash, but I'm moving back over across the bridge. All right, so we just dropped off an order. I'll show it up on the screen. It was $6.75. Really easy order, like 2 miles. I mean, that's what I'm talking about. And then another pickup came right behind that for Wendy's, which I was just there eating. And that one's $5.75 for like 3 miles. So, like, kind of right back to where I was at. So that's what I'm talking about.
Right onto Gate Parkway.
That's what I'm talking about. That's how you make money. I mean, that's how you do it the right way anyway, instead of going all over in circles.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Point Meadows Drive.
So yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you make money the right way. So we're going to pick up this order and then we'll deliver it and then we'll be back. All right. So I just dropped off that one order. The sun's like right in my face here. It's insane. It's like so bright. It's insane. But DoorDash throwing me some pretty good orders right now. And I just got another one for a pickup for $7. I throw it up on the screen for 4 miles. So they're throwing me some good orders right now. And then we'll just check in after that's over. I might call it a day after this. All right, so that turned out to be super awesome because while I was there picking up the orders inside waiting, I got hit with a second order right away. It was a stacked order, so this is like a $16 order, one spot, like total mileage like 6 miles. It's pretty awesome. So this will be the last order for the day, though. I should stay out here, but I'm just gonna go home. I've been working now for like 5 hours, so that's it. I'll put everything up on the screen, and we'll break down all the numbers. Back in the sun here, I was in a little shady spot there, but I'll break down all the numbers, and please like and subscribe. I'm going to be putting these videos up, and do the ride-alongs, and I appreciate you guys watching, and please again like and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing is the biggest thing. That way you get the alerts and everything, when I make a new video, if you're so inclined to watch them. So I appreciate you watching. You guys have a great day. All right, so this is the profit breakdown for Monday, October 25th. As you can see, the total gross amount made was $59.65. Worked 4.67 hours, which really equates to about 4 hours and 40 minutes. And miles driven were 75 miles. Now, part of that was because I really messed that up on that double trip across the bridge, which is a real mess up. So that added probably about 15 miles to the whole thing. The hourly pay was $12.77 and 80 cents a mile. That's really not where we want to be at. I really thought it was going to be higher. And I think if I broke this down by hours, or actually orders that were in the evening, then that number would be much higher. So, I mean, I didn't really break it down. I could, but it would have been much higher if it had been just the later orders that I got. Because you're really shooting for at least $1 a mile, and almost there, but not quite. I used $9.75 in gas, and then when you do the car savings and repairs, it's $2.98, and then the total expense on it is $12.73. So that brings us to our after expenses of $46.92, which brings us to $10.05 on real job hourly pay. So we add your tax deductions in there. For gas, it's $42. Taxable income is $17.65. And so that means that we have $5.30 of taxes owed. And then when you do the math on it after taxes, it's $54.36. So total profit after everything is $41.62. So that means our hourly pay was $8.91. Again, that mess up driving across the bridge really messed that whole thing up. But again, please like and subscribe. I do appreciate you watching the videos. I'll be making more, and we're going to have a new camera that we're going to be trying out. So we will have that here shortly, and we'll go from there.
Thanks for watching.